So if you are like me and use MSI Afterburner, well particularly I use the RivaTuner statistics server to display FPS, GPU usage, RAM usage, various other details. If you play Counter-Strike, you may have noticed recently that it has broken the overlay. So according to Valve, they've enabled a thing called trust mode. And in trust mode, in Counter-Strike Global Offensive, it's designed to block third-party files from interacting with the game and is enabled by default. So in particular, this is meant to be anti-cheat protection and so on. But in reality, well, that's probably the very valid reason. But if you're still wanting to get around that, to be able to actually see your statistics online, what we're going to have to do is the following. First of all, we need to right click on Counter-Strike. Move my camera over. You want to go down to Properties. Then from there, we want to go to Launch Options. Type in dash allow underscore third underscore party underscore software. So we want to do that. Go OK, and then from there, with the RivaTuner, you have to add a new profile. So go down and go Add, and then you want to dig into your Steam folder. Program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, Common, Counter-Strike, CSGO, go Open, and then you want to make your settings mirror over here. So globally, app detection's on medium, stealth is off. Go to Counter-Strike, detection is on low, and stealth mode is set to on. And then from there, I have been able to get my statistics to load up on Counter-Strike. So I'll just load it up now, just to show you. And there we go. We have the statistics loading up as I normally would. So I hope this video helps you get your statistics loading back up. And I'll catch you later. Bye.